Alright, so on Friday's lesson, we were completing the square. What do I do with this constant, class? Okay, so we're eventually going to add and subtract numbers, and those two numbers will make it 0. But this constant right here, the given one, I'm just going to move it to the side. So we're going to have -2. Therefore, I have 3x squared plus 48x. I'm trying to give myself some space there. Class, what should I put in this parentheses right there?
You factor out 3x.
So you're factoring out a 3. What's left inside? And you still have that -2, right? Go ahead and find the pink and the blue with your partner, and then we'll go over the problem. Alright, class, what's your b value?
16.
So you're looking inside the parentheses. Your b value there is 16. And class, half of that?
8.
And 8 squared is?
64.
Raise your hand if you got 64. Now, be careful. If I put 64 here, positive 64, class, should I do a minus 64 here?
No, because then you have to fill it through that.
What number is that? Look here. You can distribute. I'm just putting the arrows underneath. Class, what's 3 times x squared? What's 3 times 16x?
46.
And 3 times 64.
192.
So pretend like you're basically doing this to the problem. Yesterday, or Thursday, we talked about just adding those two together equals 0, right? It doesn't change the problem. And so that's how I got the -192 here. So let's just finish up our problem. 3 times, what goes in there, class? So this is called a perfect trinomial square. It's just x, quantity x plus 8 times quantity x plus 8. And then you just bring that down, you get what? And the purpose of doing this, just to give you guys an idea of what we're doing today, is in quadratics, this is in what form? This one?
That's a vertex.
This is standard form, and this one is vertex form. So completing the square, you're going to use the skill of using completing the square.